So I haven't did a video in a little while, so I figured I'd do one updating on kind of what I'm up to. 1970 Mustang fastback, doing for a guy. Outer wheel well needs to be done. Quarter, obviously. We're going to patch up some of this stuff. I just got the quarter the rest of the way off, drilled all the spot welds out. Got to go through, grind them all down. Surprising this outer well is like still halfway decent. It's a little rough right there, but probably still usable. I'll have to patch that area up. This whole back I'm going to section in, probably just cut it. Take the section right off of that, right off the front. Probably section that piece in. Use the rest of the metal. So what they did is they welded the drop. Except for it's not too bad. It's just not been welded good up in here. Took this off. This side's gonna have to have a whole new piece put in here and down. This whole piece is gone. Whole new rear filler. There's the drop for this side. I'm thinking it's gonna need lower quarter here, sectioned in. It's got some Bondo or something right there. It's gonna need probably a sectioned in piece here. It's got a hole there. It needs to be patched up. A lot of surface rust. They kept this bare metal for some reason. Back floors look pretty good in it. Just clean that all up. Torque box is gone. Upper and lower piece. I'm going to see if I can section that in, depending on how bad the rail is there. Both front floors are gone. Repop doors. They don't look like they fit that bad. Like the line. Too bad on it. It shuts really nice. Cowl. I haven't looked up inside the cowl yet to see if it's rusty. Frame's got rust holes on it up here underneath the bumper bracket. It's gonna have to come off so I can inspect it better. This side's probably the same. Battery apron shot, as they usually are. They always rust out there. But yeah, it's just a 70 302 automatic, plain Jane, no Mach 1, nothing, just fastback. Needs a little love, but I think it's worth fixing. Stoned Pony, it says. 2. But yeah, this is what I've been up to. No hot rodding, just fixing. Somebody's got the Mach 1 dash in it with, they painted it black, which is kind of neat. Kind of matches the other side. It looks somewhat factory and looks better than just a plain panel there. Headliner shot. Seat belts are all there. Shoulder belt. Front seat belts are missing, I guess, but rears are there. Dash is all there. Radio. Pretty standard. It looks like it had standard interior. These repop doors are pretty decent looking, and they roll up nice and shut nice. So it's not quite a Flintstone mobile. Somebody's done some metal work back here. This panel piece looks odd to me. It doesn't have the holes for the gas tank in it. That's probably why, but I don't know if somebody made that or what. I might just have it replaced with the correct panel. trunk lid, it's shot. Somebody put new springs in it. It's got a 9-inch. I wonder if it's got the posi in it. It's hard to tell without jacking her up and rolling it. I gotta get this in my shop so I can start really hammering on the metal. All my tools. Right now it's just on my trailer. Kind of wait until it gets a little colder to get it in my shop. It's so nice out lately. So yep, that's the project.